Have kids? The child tax credit can be worth thousands. TurboTax helps you claim it correctly, whether it's the regular credit or the new, other dependent credit. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In the Family section of deductions and credits, you'll enter your children's information. TurboTax will check their eligibility based on age, relationship, residency, and support. For 2023 and beyond, the credit is back to being partially refundable. Additional child tax credit. If the credit wipes out your tax bill, you might still get up to $1,600 per child back as a refund. My crucial pro tip: don't forget the credit for other dependents. Have a college student over 17, or an elderly parent you support. They likely don't qualify for the full child tax credit, but they may qualify for a $500 non-refundable credit. TurboTax will prompt you for this. Maximize the tax benefits your family deserves. How has the changing child tax credit affected your family's taxes? Share your experience. For more family-focused tax help, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.